Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Microsoft Edge web browser. And dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa left side menu, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy, search and services. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side ay scroll down, and then under dito sa services ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung address bar and search. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa address bar and search, and next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung search engine use and the address bar. Okay, ito siya. So, kung paano ba natin ito gawing Google, the default search engine. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. So, click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Google. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright? So, makikita mo na dito na search engine use and the address bar is yung Google default. Alright, so open tayo ng another tab. So Ctrl plus T, and then kapag mag-search ka dito sa searching address bar, for example, ay makikita mo na dito na Google search use as default search engine. Ito siya, okay? So nandito na. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.